So just last February 23, 2 months ago, so we invited universities and corporate to participate for this year's design competition. So just a little background, Solid Edge has continually delivered valuable features for product development need for years. No? So the conceptual design for this event can be categorized at the following, no? At this following. So number one, aerospace and defense. Number two, automotive and transformation. Then number three, consumer product design. Four, electronics, sensors, and Internet of Things. Number five, manufacturing and robotics automation. Six, medical. And lastly, seven, sustainable technologies or future energy. So, and now we are pleased and proud to share with you the snippets, no, of the design entries. So please let us all sit back, relax, and watch. wow, I am speechless. So all entries are very creative and innovative. So it's the future is bright here in our country, with these people. So and are really nicely done using Siemens Solid Edge. So we would like to congratulate all the participants for being imaginative and really thinking outside of the box. So every one of you are close enough to become all the winners. So let us proceed with our program. So we would like to introduce to you our esteemed judges. So let's welcome our first judge. He was actually our keynote speaker at Future of Engineering Education webinar last year. He has been in the academia for 22 years. He is currently a professor, registered electronics and communications engineer, so with specializations in embedded systems development, Internet of Things, and wireless sensor research at the University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines, Cagayan de Oro. So he is also the co-founder and project lead of ShiftTech Marine Engineering Services, company making energy efficient and renewable technologies. So they are also a startup recipient for the Siemens Solid Edge, by the way. So please let us all welcome Engineer Professor Diogenes Armando Paspa. Ayong hapon, Prof.
Hello, so good afternoon, each and everyone. So it's been an honor to be one of the judges in this competition. And you've been quite hard to select which among the entries to choose because all of them are equally innovative and they are targeting a very practical applications. So me as a judge, I consider that as the main and foremost consideration. Then of course followed by technical feasibility. So again, I congratulate the SIM team for having this competition, and I'm so glad to be part of the judging team.
Okay, bro. Partner Elaine.
Yes, partner. For our second judge, he is a registered mechanical engineer, former design engineer for an automotive parts company, a certified solid edge sales and technical professional and user for 19 years, and CAD enthusiast. That's Engineer Reynaldo Luis.
Right.
All right. Good afternoon, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. All right. So first of all, I'd like to congratulate everyone. So the entries, everyone enters are very innovative. As Jerome said a while ago, it's very innovative, creative. The designs are way beyond my expectations in judging this competition. So, and with the use of Solid Edge, mas napakita ng mga participants yung creativity nila using Solid Edge. And also I would like to congratulate CIM Technologies for doing this competition. So nabibigyan nila ng chance yung mga participants to show their creativity and yung innovation nila in the simple issues and then or simple or complicated issues na pwede nating masagot dito sa in our daily life or in our country.
All right. Thank you very much, Engineer Ray. So, and our last judge, he is presently the manager of Technical Solutions Department in CIM Technology since 2017. He has 5 years of experience as well as a former MSA engineer, products engineer in a multinational Japanese company. He's a certified solid edge professional, so with more than 10 years of experience. So let us all welcome Engineer Wilson Hernandez. So let's move on. We will again, so everyone, let's give all our judges a round of applause. Without them, there is no winners. Okay, so before we proceed and announce the top 5 design entries, so we would like to show you the metrics on how our judges decided in the scoring. So let us share with you the rubrics for this competition. So number 1, innovative idea. So that's 35%. And video presentation, 25%. Market appeal or impact is 10%. Lastly, organization and description, 30% for a total of 100%. Back to you, Elaine.
Right, partner, just to mention lang, here are the list of prices. For the People Choice Award, 3,000 pesos. For the third prize, 6,000. The second prize, it's worth 25,000 pesos. Yun na, for the second prize, medyo malaki-laki to, worth 40,000 pesos. And now, dear guests, top 5 design entries. Before the announcement, Gaia Technology sent fees to our jobs. Trying this design based on the rules. Here are the top 5 for tomorrow. Diba? Angeline V. Odigos for the prosthetic
I'm a
with
second mechanical engineering student studying at the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Mesa. I dream of becoming a biomechanical engineer or a mechanical design engineer. By joining the 2022 Solid Edge Design Competition, I believe that I will be able to further enhance my skills in designing prosthetics. A person is visually impaired if their best corrected vision is 20/40 or worse. Even with the proper glasses or contact lenses, their vision is limited. Likewise, an amputee is defined as a person who has had an arm or a leg surgically removed from their body. In some cases, artificial limbs are provided to amputees, allowing them to be almost as mobile as they were before the loss of a limb. Consider the fact that there are amputees who are also visually impaired, which makes it difficult for them to walk normally. As a result, it is critical to develop new ideas that will benefit them. That being said, I wanted to help them by designing a technology that would make navigation easier for them and reduce the impact of their disability. They will be able to handle this issue using Odigos. Odigos is a tactile and auditory artificial leg that is designed specifically for amputees who are visually impaired. It is a device that can transfer information through touch and sound to communicate with its user. When I first thought of my entry, many questions and challenges came to my mind, such as, how do I make my model communicate information to the user without being intrusive? How will it be able to assist individuals who have difficulty in navigation? How can it provide an intuitive navigation experience that immerses the user in their environment? And how will it provide users with a new level of functionality and mobility? These questions are why Odigos is equipped with 3 sensors that allow it to measure distance and determine whether or not there are any obstacles in its path. If the ultrasonic and laser sensors detect a block, it will generate a warning sound to alert the user of the situation. The intensity of this sound will rise as the user gets closer to the obstacle. In addition, when an obstacle is detected, the haptic sensor will be triggered. This sensor will cause ultrasonic vibrations to be transmitted to the user's limb through the leg socket. This vibration will intensify when the user gets near the obstacle. There have been numerous models of prosthetic legs that integrate sensors. However, by combining these three sensors, which utilizes sound, force, vibration, and motion, makes Odigos unique compared to other prosthetic legs. Solid Edge was easy to use. It is a computer-aided design software that I would suggest to people, especially beginners who likes and wants to design products. The speed and flexibility in making 3D designs were advantageous since this competition has a deadline. Its key features proved to be very useful when assembling my model. My favorite feature in Solid Edge is editing in place parts when it is already placed in an assembly. As a person who constantly makes revisions on her model, editing in place proved to be very useful as it made the job easier. When I assembled my model, it was hard for me to conceptualize its exploded view in an animation. As someone who is only a beginner in animation, ERA helped me a lot because it can make an exploded animation with just a few clicks. Solid Edge can also transfer the animation to KeyShot, which was convenient because one of the deliverables in this competition is a rendered video in KeyShot. Overall, this competition was challenging, and completing the needed deliverables, including the model itself, a rendered video of the model, and the video you're currently watching, took time and effort. My design abilities and knowledge of Solid Edge, on the other hand, have improved. Thus, I still benefited from this competition. And I would strongly advise my fellow students to join competitions like these. Once again, my name is Angeline Danye, and this is my model, Odigos.
All right, thank you, Angeline, for that very nicely done Odigo. So for our second entry is Nathaniel Rodolfo Baloloy, Agapay.
Did you just buy your own ergonomic chair hoping that this would make a long-lasting difference in your work-from-home setup? Finally getting that comfortable feeling after enduring stiff and hard plastic or wood chairs? Getting your work done on time as every day feels productive and comfortable for a work environment? But as time passes by, does your chair become too comfortable for you to be productive? Does it still serve as a working chair, or do you often find yourself dozing off during work hours, further blurring out your boundaries between resting and work environment? With the advent of the pandemic, countless people under the work-from-home setup have been shifting their home environment into their workspace. For some, to maximize productivity, standard ergonomic chairs have been their go-to chair, providing optimal comfort for better working conditions. While existing ergonomic chairs provide initial solution to the problem of productivity, long usage of such chairs makes users gradually become too comfortable with their ergonomic chairs, and in some cases also serve as their sleeping chair. Alternatively, active chairs have been a substitute to standard design of ergonomic office chairs, which promotes active interaction with the seat to counter sedentary lifestyle and better focus. But user product reviews of certain active chairs have found that sitting on the chair for a long period of time have decreased the level of comfort the user experiences with their active chair. That's why I present to you Agapay, the ergonomic chair. Now, Agapay may initially seem like the usual design of an ergonomic chair, from its wheelbase up to its gust rod. Agapay highlights the flexibility and freedom of its adjustable armrest, from its adjustable height and 2 points of rotation within its arms. This allows the user to fully customize their seating experience that would optimally fit their current activities and needs. It also has the usual necessary elements or parts of an office ergonomic chair with its backrest and adjustable headrest. In addition, Agapay also highlights its adoption of the contoured seat shape from active chairs, but considers to maintain the optimal level of comfort even when used for a long period of time. This makes Agapay the perfect work-from-home buddy, as it will keep on reminding you to sit at your optimal comfort conditions at all times. Agapay, the ergonomic chair. Hi, my name is Nathaniel Balolay, or just Nathan, and I'm currently taking up Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering as a 4th-year student in the Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Now, Agapay was actually named after as something that you work with side by side. So, when you feel the discomfort when you're working at home, Agapay is always there for you to assist you and make you more comfortable, but not too comfortable enough for you to be distracted. So, during my design process, Solid Edge helped me turn my imagination into reality without any difficulty. The tools offered by the software allowed me to maximize the potential of designing my concept product without any limitations of its form or shape. The part creation process was actually easy to navigate, and redesigning is limitless with its synchronous technology, which grants me flexible design process through accessible design iterations. Compared to the previous CAD softwares that I used, using Solid Edge has increased my productivity when designing by a lot. And part assembly have been easy to use, and its interface is greatly intuitive. With its partner software Keyshot, it further enhanced my design presentation, making it visually professional. Overall, Solid Edge was a great experience for me, and I would definitely recommend it to other people. That's all for my presentation, and thank you.
Thank you very much, Nathaniel, for that Agapay. I want one chair. That's nice. So for our next is Jericho David Bartolome for the Auto Tower, or the Underground Automated Tower Parking System.
Ngayong magpapasko, tsak na pahirapan na naman ang paghahanap ng parking sa mga tiyangge at mall. Pero batay sa pag-aaral ng isang grupo, matagal nang talamak ang problema ng parking sa Pilipinas. Marami raw kasing establishments ang walang sapat na parking space para sa kanilang mga customer. Si Lia Manialac del Castillo on assignment.
Hi, I'm Jericho David M. Bartolome, 23 years old, a resident of Bulacan, Philippines, and a student from Bulacan State University. I joined the Solid Edge Virtual Design Competition 2022 to contribute to solving one chronic problem, especially in the urban areas of the Philippines. And that is the vehicle parking problem. From what I saw on the news, to the different news articles I have found, and to my personal experience, I agree that finding a parking space is troublesome and time-consuming. What's worse is that it is a cause of a greater problem, which is traffic. This is the product I made to become a part of the solution to the parking problem. I called it the Auto Tower. I was inspired by the automated parking system in China and Germany as I saw in a video, but I saw things that I need to improve. First, it uses a palette to park the vehicles. For the Filipinos who love to customize their vehicles, Auto Tower handles it with care. Second, it is designed underground for extra land space for any establishment above it. It is also designed for any type of vehicle. Third, it supports electric vehicles. It has a wireless charging technology inspired by the product of plugless power. It will inspire the Filipinos to go for EVs. Fourth, it has aiding features. With a widescreen monitor and indicator lights, parking in the lift is a breeze. Fifth, it has a surveillance system, making it a haven for your vehicle. No need to worry as the security is top-notch. Lastly, IoT integration. With proximity and other sensors placed in a surveillance system, it is possible to integrate it with IoT. With your smart devices, you can see your vehicle safely parked in Auto Tower anywhere you are. You can also book a reservation if the Auto Tower app shows that there is a free parking slot. For as long as I can remember actually, I've been using Solid Edge Community Edition basically for my studies and my hobby, which is 3D printing. In any way possible, from part modeling, the ordered and asynchronous environment, the sheet metal, the assembly, and the frame environment especially, which I used it most of the time, the other assembly features, and many more. It is so hard to list them all. I don't know if it's considered a feature or not, but I love Solid Edge's user interface. Solid Edge's UI is so clean and neat, making me think clearly when designing something. 2 words, synchronous technology. It makes modeling and editing so much easier than usual, especially in the assembly environment. Of course, I already recommended Solid Edge to one of my friends, and I'm happy to say that he tried it. I gave him learning materials and resources and some tips and tricks. Sometimes he comes asking for help, and I'm happier to give bits of advices.
All right, thank you very much, Jericho, for that very innovative parking system. So our next is Joel C. Dimas Jr. ECOT is Public Transportation Reimagined.
ECOT, Public Transportation Reimagined. People are more mobile now that everyone is embracing the new normal, whether they are going to work, school, or participating in recreational activities. According to a CNN Philippines report, 72% of working people express difficulty in traveling to their place of work because of limited public transportation. Factors contributing to this difficulty include the health crisis, a dense commuting population, and high commuting costs. While existing public transportation applies the minimum health protocol, it is not always followed due to high demand for the service. Private vehicles are another option, but with the rising gas prices, they are unaffordable for the average Filipino. An option is to use ride-hailing apps which sends a private vehicle your way at the touch of a button to transport you to your destination. But it is an exclusive mode of transportation. It is subject to high labor costs due to heavy traffic, increasing gas prices, and high demand, which in the age of the new normal is impractical. ECOT intends to address these issues by introducing a new mode of public transportation that focuses on user experience and safety while being more efficient on the road. Presenting to you ECOT. ECOT gives people the experience of a car. It's a cheap, safe, self-driving cab that allows shared rides perfectly suitable for daily urban transportation. It's accessible for everyone, providing door-to-door mobility for employees, students, children, and elderly people. A concept for the future of urban transportation. Using artificial intelligence, it accepts bookings through an application and determines whether ride-sharing is available, allowing for a cheaper ride, lessens the traffic congestion, and a more efficient energy consumption. Once booked, ECOT will go to your location to pick you up, providing a convenient way of transport. The interior gives a comfort through multiple key points. A wide seat and a footrest to promote a relaxing feeling whilst in transit. Seatbelts are also incorporated in ECOT seats to ensure safety whilst in transit. Multiple utility locations are also placed to place your personal belongings for a more hassle-free ride. An articulating light which can be seen on the side to be used for reading or other means. A table if a user is in need to use, it is also available in the center console. The interior is illuminated by 8 OLED strips that are placed along the ceiling and the flooring, which obtain their power from the thin film solar panels on the roof of ECOT. ECOT navigates the roadways using a variety of sensors. It detects moving objects in a 360-degree range and is using artificial intelligence to drive safely. It also detects road signs, traffic lights, and weather. Finally, ECOT takes a step back from the futuristic look of modern vehicles and expresses a humble, honest, pleasant, and happy demeanor, resulting in a strong connection with people. Hello, my name is Joel Dimas Jr. and I'm the proud creator of Being a user for 4 years now, I could safely say that the other 3D modeling applications couldn't compare to the speed and flexibility with which parts could be created. In designing ECOT, the most used function was the mirror and loft command. Aside from the headlights, ECOT's design is symmetric amongst 4 sides. With that, the designing of one quarter and simply mirroring the assembly was the best approach for me. It saved me so much time in modeling and detailing since I could create the whole assembly with only 1/4 of the time. After mirroring, I was able to change the parts that I wanted to redesign thanks to the synchronous technology. An honorable mention goes to the subdivision modeling, which I used to quickly conceptualize other design concepts for the hover. Lastly, I would like to share my experience among my 4-year journey with Solid Edge. When I was a first year, I was nothing but a curious mind. Luckily, I was taught the basics of Solid Edge through my mentors. And now, on my 4th year of being a student in Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering, I have taken up the role to be the one to transfer knowledge to my fellow students. I'm proud to say that I have hosted multiple sessions teaching Solid Edge in our department, which helped us in a number of subjects in our mechanical engineering degree, such as machine design, machine elements 1 and 2, CAD/CAM, and many more. I would like to thank CIM Technologies for hosting this competition, and I hope that in the following years, this competition would again happen. Thank you for the experience. Thank you for everything. Peace out.
All right. Thank you very much, Joel Dimas, for that another innovative transportation. And also for sharing your skills to others. Very appreciative of your gesture. So for our last video, we Nehemiah Lucas for the smart shopping system called Heartfeel.
Wake up this morning and head to the kitchen. Opening the fridge but finding no food to cook for breakfast. What about going to the supermarket and getting some milk and cereal. We go shop, but this time we're smart. The world has seen enough technology today. Smart and digital systems are found in our homes, school, and workplace. In this manner, I envision an integrated technology into hypermarkets along with its trolley. According to the market study report, the global food and grocery retail market size is projected to increase at a 5% annual rate between 2021 and 2027, reaching $17.29 trillion. As a result of this steadily increasing demand, emerging technology employed in traditional supermarket chains is on a drive to provide a better customer's experience. By addressing issues such as wasted time while standing in checkout lines, difficulty in finding shelves, some products having outdated price tags due to the fast-paced market, and having a sudden change in allotted budget considering out-of-stock products. So, how can we incorporate a solution dealing with efficient, ergonomic, and user-friendly smart trolleys? We go by Cartil. Cartil's goal was to offer a new shopping experience for customers by simplifying the entire process using intelligent shopping carts. This trolley is designed to facilitate the payment process and improve navigation in the route to your preferred item. Cartil's smart shopping system will require two components: software integrated into the cart that users can access to create a customized environment, including new shopping lists, and a self-checkout component that will scan all items in the shopping cart and minimize the need for shoppers to wait in checkout lines. Customers will be able to carry out a variety of tasks that are part of the core functionality of touchscreen tablets. For example, if you search for items and self-scan pricing, check expiry dates, view recommended deals, and product routes. Such product innovations increase efficiency and profitability, a key differentiator for future competitiveness. With the use of Cartil, the shopping experience will be more simple, enjoyable, and manageable. Grocery businesses can enhance sales through both impulsive purchases and future consumer loyalty. Furthermore, it provides them with management data about their consumers and operations, which may lead to sustained competitive advantages. This is where Solid Edge comes to play in the design development. Solid Edge helps me achieve this consumer product design in my entry into this competition. Through its synchronous technology, the CAD software allows 3D modeling with a shorter engineering design process. It makes my working time more productive since it can examine previous parts and modify certain features of the models. Aside from that, its excellent user interface contributes to ease of learning and application, making it the ideal choice for beginners looking for easy yet advanced CAD software. Overall, Solid Edge offers me a new and complete approach to product development, enhancing the user's design skills and high-quality output delivery. Through Solid Edge, we can consider the following design parameters to provide significant functional improvements, such as ease of maneuverability, swivel wheels, weight capacity, the average height of users, and the cost efficiency of materials employed. With Cartil, we are on the move to continuous technological innovation, improving customer quality service and satisfaction. By designing your typical grocery trolleys in initiating a sustainable and transformed future. Run out of stocks again? Worry no more. We can make our grocery time chill and convenient. We go shop, but this time we're smart.
Oh, wow. So there you go. Another very innovative from those 5 entries. So can we just please give a round of applause and congratulations to all the top 5 finalists. And I'm sure the judges have a hard time. So I'm sure it sparked an idea or inspiration for everyone. And just an announcement, also everybody is also welcome to participate in this design competition next year. So we're inviting professionals and students to really join us again. And now, to add more excitement, we are now ready to spin a wheel again. And let's see who will be our next winners of Grab vouchers. So let us now spin the wheel of fortune. All right, congratulations to Lauren Paredes. So yes, our team will reach out to you for the instructions to claim your vouchers. So here's another one. Congratulations to Marcelo Yarte for winning a Grab Food voucher. Okay, thank you once again for our sponsors, Siemens and HP. So here's another one, last. Congratulations to Miss Alisa Villanueva. So please do reach out. That our team will reach out to you for the instructions. So we would like to invite you to join our user group on Facebook, although it's already being shared by Engineer Peya a while ago. But so this is basically to get the latest updates and trends. So we're inviting especially those who want to learn the use of Solid Edge and showcase your ideas through your design. It is also a place to share best practices and learn how to be certified Siemens Solid Edge professional user or expert. So just please scan the QR code on your screen or click the bit.ly link provided. Okay. So the much awaited part of this event will be announced now. So everyone are excited who are the winners. So if you're excited, just type yes. So we will announce. So just to let you know, all the design entries were posted on the Facebook page, which is the CIM Digital Manufacturing Solutions Facebook page. So the mechanics for this, the most number of reactions will be the winner for this criteria, which is the People's Choice Award. So with that, we can assure you that we only counted certified, legit Facebook accounts. So for this award, you will get 3,000 pesos worth of prize money. So let the drum roll begin. So who's our winner? All right, congratulations to Ikot by Joel C. Dimas Jr. Okay, so for this third prize award, you will get 15,000 worth of prize money. That's a lot already, So drum roll again for the third place winner. Congratulations to Odigos by Angeline V. Danye. Next. All right, for our second place winner. So this award, you will receive 25,000 pesos. So drum roll for the second place. Congratulations to Cartil by Nehemiah Lucas. All right. Okay, and the most awaited part, and our grand prize winner will get 40,000 pesos. So, drum roll. Congratulations to Ikot by Joel C. Dimas Jr. So you won also as the People's Choice Award and also for the grand prize winner. Pa-burger ka naman dyan. Ha? So congratulations also to the lucky winners. So we hope that you will join again and we will see each other next year's competition. So by the way, please, we will get in touch for all the winners on how you will claim your prizes and vouchers. So you may now scan the QR code posted on the screen or click the link for the e-certificates. Go ahead and scan or the bit.ly link provided. All right, so as we bring this Siemens Solid Edge Design competition to a close, wow, that was fast. We once again thank you all taking part, taking your time out of your busy schedules just to be with us today, this Friday afternoon. So again, we would like also to thank Siemens and HP as our sponsors. So this is not possible without you. So can we give them also a virtual clap for making this event possible? So we hope that we will see each other again in our future events and the next Solid Edge Design competition. So we're inviting everyone to join us in our future events. Thank you once again. My name is Jerome, and of course, my co-host Elaine will also wishing you a wonderful day, and we're signing off, and bye-bye.